Hey there, Dr. Taylor and Dr. Michael and Bethany here from Redemption Orthodontics. We just wanted to show you what you can do if you ever have a bracket break off once you get your braces, or if a wire is poking you or anything like that. The great thing about orthodontics is, honestly, you guys, there's really hardly ever a true dental emergency with braces, which is amazing, right?
Great.
So rest assured that everything will be fine, but we're always here for you if you need us, okay? We're always just trying to save you guys time and not interrupt your schedule. So here are just a few tips and tricks of how you can fix things at home until we see you for your next scheduled visit.
While this is the most common thing you'll run into, just know that a pokey wire is actually a good thing. It means the teeth are straightening up, and when that happens, the wire becomes longer in the back. If you're able to, take a pair of nail clippers and clip the excess wire. Just be careful you remove the cut wire afterwards. If you are not able to cut the wire or are not able to reach it, simply place a ball of wax over the pokey area. This should help you until your regularly scheduled visit with us. But if not, just shoot us a text saying wire poke, and we can get you scheduled to clip it for you. We always try to avoid breaking brackets off during treatment, as this can delay our treatment progression if we break too many. But sometimes brackets do break off from eating or biting down on them. If the broken bracket is not the furthest tooth in the back, you can leave the bracket on the wire and just make sure you clean really well around it. Or, if it is causing discomfort, you can use a toothpick to carefully remove the colored tie from the bracket by holding the bracket against the tooth with one finger and putting the toothpick underneath the colored tie, lifting it off of the bracket wings. Then simply take the bracket off the wire. Don't worry, we can bond the broken bracket at your regularly scheduled visit with us. If the broken bracket is the furthest tooth in the back, then you can either leave it or slide it off the wire. You may notice some extra wire now that the bracket is off, but if the wire is not bothering you, then there's nothing else you need to do. If the leftover wire is hurting you, then you can use nail clippers to trim the excess wire. We will rebond the broken bracket for you at your regularly scheduled visit with us. As a normal part of your orthodontic treatment, you might also experience a dull, achy sensation after getting your braces on, and maybe after each adjustment appointment. If that happens, you can just take Tylenol or whatever you normally take for a headache or muscle aches, and you should be fine. If you have any soreness from your braces rubbing on the inside of your cheeks, you can use the wax, but you can also use a warm saltwater rinse. To help, just dissolve 2 tablespoons of salt in a cup of warm water and swish. You can also use Oragel to rub on that sore spot, and that'll give you some relief while you're getting used to your new braces. Now switching over to Invisalign. Sometimes you may feel discomfort from a sharp edge of the aligner that rubs the inside of your cheek. If you experience this, you can use a nail file to smoothen the sharp edge just enough until it goes away. Please do not shave too much material, as this may impede the aligner's ability to work.
So there you go. Now you know how to fix some issues that may arise with your braces whenever you get home. So we know you guys will do a great job, and please feel free to give us a shout anytime if you guys ever have any questions. Thank you so much for choosing Redemption Orthodontics, and we really look forward to seeing you guys at your next appointment. Take care and God bless. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Bye.